Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Okay, so fish fry or fried fish, spicy masala fish. I'm using some kingfish. You could use a different fish if you want. This is absolutely delicious. It's really simple, spicy and lovely. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got about 500, 600 grams there of fish. Now I'm using kingfish, which is probably the most common fish to use for fish fry, but you could use a different type if you want. Kingfish is a kind of nice meaty, steaky type fish, as you can see, and I've cut it quite thick. You can cut it much thinner if you want. Some people will cut this really thin. Mine is fairly thick. What we're going to do is get a few spices together, make a little paste for that fish. So what I've got here is some water, cold water, some ghee. Now I'm not going to be using all that ghee for this paste, but we'll be using some of it for frying. Now if you don't want to use ghee, you can use coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of salt and pepper, a teaspoon of coriander, and some people would put fennel powder in instead of coriander, and then 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I'm using the Kashmiri chili powder. So we've got a mixing bowl there. Let's add our turmeric, 1 teaspoon each of our salt and pepper, teaspoon of coriander, or if you liked fennel powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. A little bit more there, don't want to waste that. Tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. And I'm going to get our ghee, and I'm going to put in that's maybe 3 teaspoons there. Then we're going to add a little bit of water. And I'm going to give that a mix. So I've now placed the fish into a mixing bowl. Just going to squeeze some lemon over that. You could put this into the mixture if you wanted. Then we're going to add all our mixture in, and then nothing to do but coat it. I'm going to be using my hands to do that. If you want, you can get some rubber gloves on. Just needs a little mix up like that, ready to roll. Okay, so you're just going to need a frying pan or a skillet or something like that. I'm using my regular wok. I've got the balance of the ghee in there. You could be using, of course, coconut oil. We're going to place our fish in. We're on a medium heat. Now this is quite thick. Some people would, like I say, would cut this much thinner. So I'm going to go for about 4 minutes aside. We've got a little bit of the balance of the marination there. I'm going to be dropping that on as I turn it. I'll be turning it every couple of minutes. There you saw I just put that extra marination on there. And I'm cooking these quite slowly because they're quite thick. I say some people would have them really quite thin. And just at the end, what I'm going to do, like a couple of minutes before the end, I'm going to get the heat on really high, because you actually see that blackening there. We actually want it to be fairly blackened. Well, I do anyway. Okay, beautiful. Off goes the heat. That's done. And there you go. Super, really, really simple, nice spicy masala fried fish or fish fry. I just served that with some slices of lime. You could use lemon and a little bit of cilantro on the top there. Beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe and keep well, everyone. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.